Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi and hello for those of you who are new. Today's video is going to be on this look that I'm wearing right now, so a simple, easy glam. I'm going to start off by using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer as an eyeshadow primer. This is just going to give me a nice blank canvas to work on before I apply any eyeshadows. I'm next going to take a little bit of my MAC bronzer and just pop that through the socket of my eyes just to give a nice transition shade. I'm then going to use a Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadow in Sunset Cove just to add a little bit of colour. Mine's actually quite dry, so it's not applying that much, but it's okay, I just want it as a wash of colour. I'm then going to use a little bit of this Laura Mercier eye pencil in brown copper just to kind of intensify the outer corner and just smudge out as more of like a smoky liner. This is going to make your lashes look nice and dark as well, and it's not as harsh as black. I'm then going to use my Flower Beauty Oil Primer just to prep my skin. I've actually decided since using this I don't really like it. It leaves like gold specks all over my face, but it does add a really nice glow. Then I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter just to add as a little bit more of a dewy primer. It adds a really nice sheen underneath the makeup, and I'm just going to blend that in with my Bobbi Brown Full Coverage Foundation brush. I'm then going to use one of my favourite foundations, which is MAC Face and Body, and this is in the shade C4, and I'm just going to buff that into my skin again with that same brush. Once that is all blended into how I like it, I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer again just to perfect my skin and add a little bit more coverage along with coverage underneath the eyes. I'm going to blend that in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Finish sponge. I'm going to use two lighter shades underneath my eyes just to add a little bit of extra brightness, and just on the centre of my nose and just under my cheeks and around my mouth. Once that is all blended in, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in Warm Almond, I'm pretty sure it is, just to add as a cream bronzer. This is going to stick with that really dewy finish that we've already started to create, but also going to add a little bit of shape and colour back. next going to use something that's actually really new to me, this iconic London sheer blush, and I'm just going to put a couple dots onto my skin and blend it in with that same full coverage foundation brush, and then just add such a nice amount of colour but a nice sheer glow. I'm going to pounce in with my sponge just to make sure everything is fully blended and looks seamless. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish powder just to set my skin, but also to mattify a couple of the areas just so it looks a little bit smoother and not oily. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm palette, just the two more pinky colours, just to add as a kind of cheek topper just on the apples of my cheeks and just sweeping backwards. This is just going to make sure when I apply highlighter it all blends in seamlessly. And I'm just going to use the lightest colour in that palette just to really add a spotlight right on the top of my cheekbones, down my nose, on my cupid's bow, anywhere the sun would naturally hit. So now the skin is done, I'm going to take a little bit of a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Metallic Amethyst and just pop this underneath my eyes, just add a little pop of colour, but mainly just to smooth it out ever so slightly. And then I'm just going to blend that in. I'm going to take that same Laura Mercier eye pencil in the brown copper and just pop a little bit underneath my eyes and into my waterline and smoke that out again. I'm going to take the lightest colour in that Charlotte Tilbury palette and just pop it on my inner corners, my brow bone, and just on the centre of my eyelid just to make my eyes really pop. And I'm going to use the Lancome Hypnose mascara just to add a little bit of length and volume to my lashes. This isn't actually my favourite mascara, it's not very black, it just looks quite grey, but it does add a nice amount of length and volume, so it keeps them quite wispy looking, and that's on the top and bottom of my lashes. Then for lips, I'm a little bit stuck because I wanted to keep this really natural, and I'm stuck between two glosses. So this is the Dior lip oil in, I'm pretty sure it's 04 Cherry, and the Colourpop Fairy Gloss lip gloss. So I kind of decided on using the Colourpop lip gloss, but then I realised it was a little bit too pale, so I ended up going in with the Dior lip oil anyway. Obviously you pair this with whatever lip you want to, this is just the combo that I ended up finding and liking. I ended up being quite happy with this look, and I think this look is really great for every day just while we're in quarantine, but also for like work, school, everything like that, just because it's super simple and super easy. Obviously you can swap out any of the colours and everything like that, so if you don't want to use like a brown liner, you could use a purple, a blue, a black, whatever. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!